Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Explained, the place where learning English feels easy, fun, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Emma, smiling brightly, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack, and as you can see, today I'm already prepared because we're diving into one of my favorite topics, how to talk about your dream house in English.
Oh yes, I love this topic because everyone, no matter where they live, has some kind of dream home in their imagination. And expressing that dream clearly in English is a great speaking practice.
Exactly. And today, we're not just explaining vocabulary. We're going to show you how to describe your dream house naturally, emotionally, and confidently. You'll learn phrases real Americans use, and you'll even hear our dream house descriptions.
And trust me, leans closer with a big smile. Jack's dream house is wild, like absolutely wild.
Hey, don't expose me yet. Let the audience decide.
Talking about a dream house helps you practice so many English structures. Describing things, using adjectives, expressing preferences, using imagination, talking about lifestyle, using future and conditional sentences.
Plus, it's a fun topic. It makes you smile, it makes you imagine, it brings out emotions. And English sounds way more natural when you speak with feelings.
Exactly. And today's lesson will show you the perfect structure to describe your dream house step by step. Okay, step 1. Where is your dream house located? This is your setting and it creates the mood of your description. Examples: my dream house would be by the ocean. I'd love a cabin in the mountains. I imagine my dream house in a quiet countryside village. My dream home would be right in the heart of New York City.
Let's show them how to say it naturally. My dream house would be on top of a hill, with the wind blowing, birds singing, and no neighbors yelling at each other about parking spaces.
That is oddly specific, Jack, but okay. Next step. What does it look like from the outside? Big, small, cute, fancy, modern, traditional? Useful expressions. It would have a modern design. I imagine large glass windows. The outside would be simple but elegant. The house would be surrounded by nature.
Listen to how Americans describe houses. A cozy cottage-style home, a big, spacious modern house, a tiny house with a minimalist design, a farmhouse with a huge porch.
My dream house would have big windows everywhere, so I wake up with sunlight touching my face gently every morning.
Aw, that is sweet.
Now we go inside. This is where details make your English sound rich and colorful. Useful phrases. As you walk inside, the first thing you'd see is it would have an open floor plan. The living room would feel warm and welcoming. I'd love a big, fully equipped kitchen.
Let me model a natural description. As you walk inside my dream house, you'd see a huge living room with a giant sofa, soft lighting, and a massive TV, like a small movie theater.
Of course, Jack wants a home cinema. Let's break it down with common dream house features. Bedroom. A bedroom with soft lighting. A bedroom with a balcony. A peaceful, relaxing bedroom. Kitchen. A modern kitchen with an island. A kitchen filled with natural light. A spacious kitchen for cooking and entertaining. Bathroom. A bathroom with a big bathtub. A walk-in shower. Marble floors and warm lighting. Study room. A quiet study with bookshelves. A workspace filled with inspiration.
Don't forget outside features. They make your dream house sound alive. Examples: a garden full of flowers, a swimming pool with warm water, a rooftop area for relaxing, a backyard perfect for barbecue nights.
I'd love a backyard where I can do yoga in the morning, smiles peacefully and stretches her arms, and watch the sunset in the evening.
I want a pool with LED lights. Not necessary, but definitely cool. Grins.
This is the most important part. How does your dream house make you feel? Dream houses aren't about money. They're about emotions. Examples: it would make me feel peaceful. My dream house feels warm and comforting. It's a place where I feel truly myself. When I imagine my dream house, I feel calm, inspired, and deeply grateful.
That's beautiful. Mine would make me feel excited, like every day is a new adventure. If plus would is perfect for dream house descriptions. Examples: if I had a dream house, it would be near the ocean. If I could choose, I'd have a big garden. If I lived in my dream home, I'd feel peaceful every day. Practice these in your own description.
If I could build my dream house, it would be on a quiet hill surrounded by trees and soft morning fog. As you walk inside, the first thing you'd see is a bright living room with big windows and warm wooden floors. The kitchen would be spacious, full of natural light, and always smelling like fresh coffee. My bedroom would have a small balcony where I could watch the sunrise every morning. Outside, there'd be a peaceful garden with flowers, a small fountain, and a cozy wooden bench. My dream house wouldn't be big, but it would be filled with comfort, love, and creativity. It would be a place where I feel calm, grounded, and truly at home.
All right, here comes my masterpiece. My dream house would be right by the ocean, close enough that I can hear the waves while falling asleep. It would have a big, modern design with glass walls, so I can see the sunrise and sunset from my living room. Inside, the living room would be huge, with a giant sofa, a projector screen, and cozy rugs everywhere. The kitchen would be modern, because I love cooking late at night. My bedroom would face the ocean with soft lights and white curtains moving gently with the wind. Outside, I'd have a swimming pool, a barbecue area, and a small space where I could play guitar under the stars. My dream house would feel exciting, relaxing, and full of energy, like a little private world just for me. You can describe your dream house in this order: location, outside look, inside design, key rooms, outdoor spaces, feelings, conditional sentences, final emotional sentence.
We hope this helped you learn how to talk about your dream house in natural, emotional, confident English.
And we'd love to hear your version. Tell us in the comments, what does your dream house look like?
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English.
And remember, your English voice becomes stronger every time you express your dreams.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye!
Bye! Wave happily.